iPhone X gets hot easily. Many users have complained on this. Overheating is a big issue on iPhone X. Take this iPhone X for example. First it scores 183,293 on Antutu. This is a benchmark app used everywhere. Then test it again. After a series of testing process, the score goes down to 180,161. It gets slower. And check the temperature it got. It's now like 36.8 Celsius degrees on front and 37.3 Celsius degrees on the back. Fortunately there is a way to improve it. First disassemble this iPhone X. Heat up the screen. Use a hairdryer to do the job. Disconnect it with a pry bar. Unbolt the screws and take off the screen. Disconnect flex cables, ear speaker, and taptic engine. Now comes the difficult part, battery. Make loose the adhesive tape. Attach a tweezers to the tape firmly, then push out of it. It needs continuous and balanced strength. Be patient. Keep trying until the battery is took off. Then Face ID. The real fix begins. This is a piece of graphene sticker. It plays a key actor on temperature improvement. Because graphene is a perfect material for thermal transport, it takes away the heat. This graphene sticker can't be used directly. Need to cut it into iPhone shape. Before applying the graphene sticker, disconnect wireless charger receiver coil first. Use the tweezers to pry up. Disconnect it. Take the thermal grease. The thermal grease has the same effect as graphene sticker. Make it even. Ensure that the thermal grease covers everywhere. Then install the wireless charger receiver coil back. Install taptic engine, ear speaker, and flex cable. Pick up the graphene sticker. Stick it evenly. Ensure that it covers everywhere. Before install motherboard. First plaster some thermal grease. Then install it on graphene sticker. Install Face ID unit and battery. Take another piece of graphene sticker. It's going to take care of the battery part. Cut to suitable size according to battery. Apply it on battery. Make it even. Now, all the hack is done. Get the screen back on. Boot up the iPhone 10. After a series of testing process, the score goes up to 256,584. This is the points it should be. The temperature has been controlled. This iPhone 10 is deeply cooler. Wireless charging okay. The overheating issue has been solved.